Hey guys. Okay, I unpacked it. What I need to know is what the heck is this bag? Oh, I know what these are. These are for the pockets on the side. What do we got over there? This is the actual tools to put it together and fasteners. No, that's more for the things on the side. Wait, where are all the tools and fasteners? Are they in here? Oh yeah, they are. Okay, yeah, they're right there. All right. Okay. First thing it wants me to do is put the lid on. That's too funny. So the two long ends and the two little short ones. Okay. Thought I heard a phone ring. Excuse me. Alrighty. Wasn't my phone. I'll bring it in here just in case. There's probably somebody outside. Okay. So, let's grab these two pieces. I didn't take them out of the plastic yet. It takes 10 seconds. Boop. Okay. We need these two pieces. And these two pieces. I set the top way over there because I figured the last thing that you would do is flip it over and put the top on, but apparently they want you to do it first. So, what we shall do is lay the top on the floor. Okay, lay the top on the floor. Okay. All right. I need to take one of these. Actually, should I do these? No, I'll do these first. Take one of these, and I have to make sure that, yeah. Wait. Oh no, this needs to go this way because these are the hooks for the attachments for the pockets. So I put this here and I grab which screws? Let's see. Okay, I need B, MG6. I hope they wrote something on these. Okay, this is B. I did a couple at a time here. I don't want to lose them. Okay. And put it in the hole. Is it in the hole? Good grief. In the hole. There we go. personally the worst part of that. Let me get all the wrench out of here. Of course, she's in with different screws. Of course, hanging out with the wrong screws, and I just dumped all of those screws. Great. Lay down the K-wrench. And now you're home. There we go. Oops. There we go. You know how many Allen wrenches I have of this particular size? Many. It's getting there. Okay, let's do this side. I've been watching Batman. I'm on the last season, season 3, and I like Batgirl and all, but I just think that Batman and Robin should know who Batgirl is, and she should know who they are. And I always thought that that was the case, but it is not. So, all right, I want to make sure. Yeah, those have to go to the outside, and we'll grab 2 more of these that I spilled all over the floor. There we go. And that one in the hole. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, good. There we go. Okay. Now, to do these 2, which go here and here. Okay. Those have to be pointed in, I think. Crap. I need to check something here. Nope, I did them backwards. I did them backwards. Dang it. Those holes were supposed to go toward the inside. Oh! I almost hit myself in the head. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's the worst part. Whoa. Stop. Stop turning. Stop moving. Stop moving. Thank you. Where's the other one? Oh, it's not up against the TV. Okay. That's good. There we go. That actually wasn't difficult. I just have to make sure I tighten these really well. This one really well. Yeah, there's an old Disney movie called Babies in Toyland. And it was a live action. It starred Fred Gwynn and a couple of other people. And which way do these go? Oh, I need to do this one first. Was really good. And I looked it up on eBay. I wouldn't recommend that particular search because you might get something a little more adult than Disney. Yeah. I'm like, it's not what I was looking for. So it didn't even occur to me. I'm so naive sometimes. Yeah, that didn't really add time to the assembly. Okay. Okay. Now, before I fix these, I need to know which direction the... Can't tell. I think it would make sense if they faced the same way as the, as that, so that whatever can attach to that. So yeah, that's how it's going. All right. Yeah, that's the worst part, is getting it through the hole. Okay. Oops. Get in there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Make sure that's straight. There we go. Okay. Next. Okay, let's make sure you're straight. All right, good. That's done. All right. Step dose is to put the bars in between. Okay. Let me move that and let me grab the bars. Take the plastic off. Ouch. They're all the same. I just have to figure out which ones go where. Oh, sorry, guys. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, here, all the way. Oh, my knee hurts so bad. Oh, ow. Oh, my knee. Oh, my knee. All right. I don't know if I can figure out which. Number 7 and 8. Okay. Well, how do I figure that out? Oh, right here. 7. So this is 8. Because they were wrapped together. Yes, 7 and 8. These two. I need to turn on my AC, guys. I'm dying. Okay. Let me turn on my AC. Oh, my knee hurts so incredibly bad. Oh. Oh. Ouch. Okay. Okay. Oh, this needs to be tightened more. That's not going to tighten more. That's okay. Because once everything's attached, it won't be loose. Okay, where do I put these? Across here? Wait. Here. Here. Wait. I need to see what's facing up. Is it the large circles facing up? I think it is. Then you put these in. Like that. Okay. Yeah, the large circles facing up. And what screws do I need? More bees. And I emptied all the bees on the floor. Oh. There. I'm starting all the screws so that they're all in the right places. Ah. Seriously? Okay, where's Alan K. Rich? There you are. Okay, Alan K. Rich, here we go. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Something's wrong here. I think I have it upside down. Come on. Unscrew it. There we go. Alright. Oops. I think I have it upside down. Actually, I can flip it like that. There we go. That's better. And not make you watch me put the handles on all the drawers. Oh dear Lord, my knee hurts so bad. So bad. Okay. I need to get down that end. Okay. Ow, ow. Oh, ow. Oh. Ow. There we go. There we go. Now I know where the back and the front are, because there actually is a back and front now. There we go. There we go. Now stand it up. And we'll start putting the plastic things in. Oh boy. Okay. Ow! Ow! I am so beyond uncoordinated. Okay. Now I know where the plastic things go. By where the front and the back are, because that's the back. This is the front. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll tell you what. This video has been way too long. So, I will show you when it's complete. So I just gotta put plastic things in and handles on drawers. So, I'll see you in a moment. Hey guys, I forgot to end the video. I did some editing so it won't be quite as long. It's all set. I just have to refill the drawers. I'll do that when I go in my room for the night shortly. Because it's getting late. And I still have to do the kid missing video. Which is insane. I think I'll do that tomorrow. Because it's late. So I'll do that tomorrow. Like I said, when I go in my room to watch television, I will fill the drawers. So. Watching Batman while I finish editing. I just wanted to add this to the end because I promised an ending. Tomorrow, I will show it to you. But like I said, I needed to end the video. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Please subscribe.